Creating a bin in Bitlog web portal. In configuration, go to bin settings, click add bin and name your bin. Select the type of bin in the storage type menu. Picking area. Within a picking area you can assign picking places. You will not be able to do inbound, make stock take, outbound or perform movements to and from a picking area itself. Buffer bin. You can inbound, stock take, outbound and perform movements from and to a buffer bin. Load carrier is used for movement tasks by load carriers. You cannot pick items from this bin. Deep buffer bin. You can inbound, stock take and perform movements from and to the deep buffer bin, but it's not allowed to outbound from this bin type. Picking place. Items can be assigned to a picking place. You are allowed to inbound, stock take, outbound and perform movements from and to a picking place. In this case we choose picking place. If the bin should be within a picking area, select it here. In the Advanced tab you can find other settings. You can set priority for the bin if you need. The bin with highest number will be allocated first within the same storage type. Aisle, rack and position can be used if you want a different display format of your bins. This needs to be activated as a setting called bin number format. With the sorting order you can create a picking route for your bins. Give your bins a unique number which you can sort by within the proposals. When you're finished, click Save. After the bin has been created, you are given the option to assign stock codes to the bin. And all the changes that has been made to the bin can be seen by clicking on this icon. This is one way of creating a bin. You can also create a bin with the mobile client or the import tool here in the web portal.